Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Quarkus in Action, written by Martin Stefanko and Jan Martuszka.
Quarkus is a modern Java framework tailored for microservices and serverless applications, emphasizing developer productivity and performance. It leverages familiar Java APIs and standards, offering a developer-friendly environment for building scalable software. Java's robust ecosystem makes it a preferred choice for enterprise development, and Quarkus addresses common challenges with its performance advantages and familiar development model. The book targets Java enterprise developers, with additional benefits for those familiar with JVM languages like Kotlin or Scala. It introduces Quarkus and its associated technologies, ensuring readers understand the framework's core concepts. Quarkus is referred to as supersonic subatomic Java, highlighting its design for a small memory footprint and high-speed operation. It supports the most common Java libraries and standards, ensuring broad compatibility. Specifically, Quarkus is optimized for cloud environments, including Kubernetes and OpenShift, and is well-suited for serverless architectures. Quarkus is Kubernetes native, streamlining the build and deployment process for Java applications in the cloud and integrating cloud platform features. Quarkus supports both the standard JVM, OpenJDK hotspot, and GraphQL, which allows for native image compilation, resulting in fast-starting standalone binaries. Supporting a wide range of Java libraries and standards, Quarkus facilitates native compilation and integrates with frameworks like Hibernate and REST-easy, offering a smooth transition for developers from other frameworks. Quarkus combines imperative and reactive programming and lets users choose between them or even combine them seamlessly within a single application. Quarkus enhances developer productivity with the so-called development mode that provides immediate feedback and lightning-fast redeployment while coding, akin to scripting languages. The Quarkus architecture includes the JVM and GraphQL at its foundation, with build components like Jandex and Gizmo optimizing metadata processing and bytecode generation. Quarkus extensions further enhance build and runtime capabilities. Quarkus is compared to other Java frameworks like Spring Boot, Micronaut, and Helidon, highlighting its performance and ease of native image compilation. Quarkus stands out for its rapid development mode and build time initialization. The Acme car rental application, a modular microservices example, demonstrates Quarkus's capabilities. It covers key operations like user management and fleet management, using a mix of protocols and database technologies. The application manages reservations and vehicles, with different services for customers and employees, focusing on Quarkus rather than complex business problems. The system's architecture includes independent microservices, each with its own data store, and integrates third-party services like message brokers. While Java is the main language used in developing the Acme car rental application, Kotlin is also supported. Additionally, both Maven and Gradle are compatible as build tools. Quarkus is introduced as a solution for cloud-native Java development, with the Acme car rental application serving as a practical example. Future sections will explore Quarkus's development improvements and technology support.
Get this book at manning.com